Stupid parrots! We've had 2 parrots a million times tonight, and the 3rd parrot is a goner. He's just disappeared. He's nowhere to be seen, and he's doing my head in. Is it too much to ask for 3 parrots? Really? 3 parrots? So it's not too much to ask for.
I like the kind of
Parrots. Oh my god! 2 bloody parrots again!
If I don't make it through this night, if I die, if I end up like murdered in the morning, the cause of my death will be bloody parrots.
I only want 3 parrots. I don't want 1 parrot. I don't want 2 parrots. They're no good to me. It's 3 parrots or nothing. Okay? 1 parrot. I mean, come on. Bring him in. Bring him in. 1 parrot. What? Oh, no parrot? We're still not getting the parrots, and I think personally Michael's been quite brave to play this with me again, considering I nearly took his eyes out last night for not getting any parrots. Anyway, we still haven't got 3 parrots. When we get 3 parrots, and notice I say when, not if, you will know, right, we need the parrots. There's 2, there's 2. Oh my goodness.
So there's 1 parrot.
No, 2.
Oh, 2 parrots.
We always do the 2.
Yeah.
Sometimes do the 1, mostly do the 2, never do the 3.
Never 3 parrots.
There's 3 parrots here. Never gonna happen.
1 parrot.
Told you, the parrots are singular around here. Or they're in a couple. They definitely don't do threesomes.
Parrots do not do threesomes.
My parrots.
You heard it here first.
My parrots have never done a threesome. And I'm telling you, my parrots, they're either soloists or they're a couple.
Right.
Okay?
What's another word for a soloist in this context? Just so that we can all be clear on the metaphor.
Well, let's just leave that to people's imagination.
Right.
But I have a lot of solo parrots.
Down to $4.
Come on, come on, come on. I bloody knew it. 1 parrot.
1 parrot.
You know what he is, don't you?
Why don't you tell us? So we're going to give the people what they want, which is Lindsay getting mad at parrots, because you know that's apparently what our vlog is all about now.
Oh my goodness! Nope.
Teased her. I mean, I think we all know that we're not getting 3 parrots at any time, but sounds like someone
She's
has.
good parrots. We've got 2 though.
What do you get for 2?
2.
You know, we came to Vegas with big hopes and big dreams.
Oh look, there's a parrot by himself. Oh,
No, there was 2.
He's got a friend.
There was 2.
So lovely, isn't it, to see parrots out together, just, you know, best friends. Isn't it lovely? It's lovely to see these parrots out. They're wild, you know, they're free. They like to go around in a nice, lovely pair. Isn't it beautiful?
No.
We love a bit of, you know,
I've got a feeling.
wildlife.
I've got a feeling this might be a trap. In her honour.
Look at the lovely little parrot all by himself. Look at her.
Like I say, we came to Vegas with such dreams, or I did, and now I'm sat here, 2 in the morning. The cleaners are around with the little, you know, sit-on hoovers. There he goes, look, his little sit-on hoover, right? And here I am, filming an increasingly irate woman. Oh my god!
We got parrots! We got parrots! We got parrots!
there's people watching thinking something actually important's happened.
It has! We got 3 parrots! Oh, I feel fulfilled.
Anyway, this is the result of the great parrot hunt of 2021. So around about, you know, 20 years and $400,000 spent, and Lindsay has got us a $32 bonus. And you know what? I think she's quite happy about it.
It was everything I dreamed of.
It was everything she dreamed of.
First 100 of the holiday is going into the parrots. It had to be.
And it's not coming out again. Well, parrots.
First night, parrots! We got the parrots!
It's like we've never been away.
This is the machine we got the parrots on in November as well.
Which has already made like over 100 on this.
I know, I'm so excited. Come on, you parrots. $150-ish?
150, yeah.